Okay, we can continue our discussion. So now we can see the Hertz experiment. So this was the footstep towards the production of electromagnetic wave. So Henry Hertz in 18th century, he constructed the electromagnetic wave for the first time inside the laboratory. Okay, so we can have a detailed discussion of his experiment. Hertz experiment. So this is then Maxwell. So you know Maxwell is the scientist behind the production, and this is his hypothesis. This equations based on Gauss theorem, Faraday's laws and Ampere's circuital theorem. From this we can predict the propagation of electromagnetic wave, okay, in mutually perpendicular directions. So that is electric field. So this is the great Henry Hertz, so who constructed the electromagnetic wave and paved the path for the wide branch of physics. Okay, so this was a simple diagram of his unit. This is very innovative. So this is the production unit and this is the detection unit. It contains two parallel plates and a charger material. When sparking is there, electromagnetic wave produces, it travels through the medium, reaches to the detector and induces current, and sparking we can see. So sparking, so we are going to have an innovative, very innovative restructuring or remodeling of Hertz experiment. So this is the familiar sparker, okay, so that you are using in your kitchen. Okay, so this is a sparker you are using in kitchen, and it is also available in our vehicles also where we start. Okay, so it produces spark. So the theory behind it is electromagnetic induction. So it is able to produce thousands of volts. So you can see when we press, there is sparking between this. So this is discharge. Sparking is actually discharge. Okay, and it is connected to the zinc plate here. So when the switch is on, you can see the sparking in between this gap, this metallic gap, there will be sparking. And sparking is electric discharge, and electric discharge will produce electric field variations. Of course, that will produce an electromagnetic wave as per Maxwell. And if that wave is produced, it should reach to that side, and this is called an titanium lamp. Okay, so that will absorb the electromagnetic field, gets energy, and the lamp work. So you can see that when sparking is here, when the sparking is in between, that lamp also works simultaneously. Okay, so there is no direct current to the lamp. So the lamp glows only because of the energy carried by the electromagnetic wave reaching from the production unit. And you can have an elaborated, very strong electric field. Okay, 10,000s of volt electric field by this induction motor. This is an induction motor. It will provide DC voltage, and that can be charged to a capacitor. It is a capacitor store charge, and that can directly given to that is production unit. This is the production unit. Okay, so you can see the difference. Then the sparking will be more intense sparking, and that will glow, that will leads to the glow of that lamp also. So now the lamp glowing is very intense. Okay, so this is more energetic production that you are doing. So this is a simple narration and remodeling of Hertz experiment. Thank you.